Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find dxdy. So because we change dydx into dxdy, that means the bounds in here we need to change. So we need to find the region of y and x. About y, that should be greater than or equals to x and smaller than or equals to number 2 minus x squared. About the x, that should be from negative number 2 and positive number 1. Now we need to prove about y equals to x and y equals to number 2 minus x squared. This one that is about y equals to x, and this one that is about number 2 minus x squared. So if we know that if I put negative number 2 cone here, negative number 2 cone here, this location in here that is about negative number 2. And number 1 that's about this one. So we can see that the region we need to focus that is this one, because this one more than s, that's why the region we need to focus in here. So because we change dy dx into dxdy, so this one that is about dx. So if we look in this way, this is your eye. If we look in this way here, so we can see that this one, this is about the upper, and this one that's about the lower in here. But in this location, we need to divide this region into two locations. The first one, I will highlight the yellow in here. And the second one that is about the green one. So because this one that is about the curve, not the straight line, that's why we need to divide this region into two locations. So in this one we will have about two double intervals. So we have s equals to y, and the next one we have y equals to number 2 minus s squared. Now we need to find about s, so I will put negative s squared go to the left, y go to the right. Now we put the square root, and you got s equals to the square root of number 2 minus y, and s equals to the square root with the negative number 2 minus y. So s equal to the square root of number 2 minus y, that is about this one. And the second one, this one is about negative because this is on the negative side in here of s. So now I will put negative number 2 go to s, so that means y in this location equal to negative number 2. So this location in here that is about number 1. So about the first one, we can see that this one that is about the upper, so we put about y. This one that is about the lower, so that should be about negative of the square root of number 2 minus y. So from negative number 2 to positive number 1 in here. That is for dy. And the next one, this location in here, that is about number 2. How can I get this one? So we return back to this one in here. So when s equal to number 0, y equals to number 2. So that's why you got number 2 in here. So this point here, that is about number 1. So from number 1 to number 2 of dy, we can see that this one, that is about the upper, so that should be about the square root of number 2 minus y. And the lower, that is about this one. And here is the answer for the question. So the answer, that is about B. This is the end. Thank you for watching.